Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Shopify Analytics in order to boost your store's performance. The Shopify Analytics will be able to show you everything in regards to how your store is doing. Depending on your business and what you are selling online, you may change strategies from time to time, for example with ads or campaigns, whatever it is that you do in order for you to promote the things that you're selling in order for people to buy them. For you to choose the best way for you to market your products, what you can do is, let's say you choose one way of selling your products, for example, doing a specific campaign on a specific website and doing it for a week, and then the next week after that, you do a different strategy on a different website. And then you can use the analytics up here to, for example, compare the last 7 days and compare to the previous week before that by choosing the week that you want to see. And that's the best way for you to see what different marketing strategy is best for your types of product. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.